Yo, you guys, it's Badger here, and yeah, today we have a look at these little customizable stickers. So you can see they come packaged quite nicely. You get quite a bunch of them as well, and how it works, you just order them, you upload your image, and they will print it on there. As you can see, we printed a little otter box on here for our German channel, which is just another box in case you're wondering. And yeah, so we got this stickers with our logo on there, and as you can see, the colors are pretty vibrant. It's pretty sharp. There's no weird texture mistakes or anything like that, which is good to see. It is focused really well as well. Like, we got a good resolution. Only thing that I would be complaining about is the centering is kind of off. It seems like every sticker has a different centering as well. Sticky wise, feels pretty neat. As you can see though, centering, at least on this one, is like way off. But yeah, in general, still thinking this is pretty cool. Liking the design, liking the colors, and for, yeah, not much money you get actually some nice customizable stickers here. So take care, you guys. Bye.